I now have the carbs off. Here, have them getting ready for the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm start pulling the main jets, emulsion tubes, all of that. I already found one emulsion tube that had just one hole clogged. I don't know if that is the issue or not, but we will clean them anyway. Alrighty, let's look at this emulsion tube. And we actually have one that's clogged here too. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But this top one up here, probably hard for you guys to see, is clogged as well, which is just very strange. So we're going to clean all of these out, and all I'm using is this cheap little carb cleaner thing I got off of Amazon. It came in a kit. I think it was like $10, if that. But what's going to do all the hard work is going to be the ultrasonic cleaner. But we'll get to that in a second. I'm just going through all the holes and just put it in there and cleaning it, getting everything out. Don't have any issues. All right, it's another one down. And we got one final, too big. Where'd the other one go? One final guy. So we will, there we go. And does not appear to be clogged. So we'll throw it in there anyway. All right. Next carb bowl. I don't know about you guys, but I always put them in the bowls themselves. So we will do the same thing. Remove the main jet, emulsion tube, all of that. Hey. Alrighty, let's see. And we've got two clogged on that. That's very freaking strange. Like I said, these were recently cleaned, and I'm only using 91 with no ethanol. So I don't know. It might be time for a new fuel filter, because I'm not understanding what's clogging these up. All right, throw it in there. Get our last little guy out of here. And I'll be quite honest with you guys, I don't know what this one's called. What have we got going on here? There we go. It didn't want to come. Why is that in there all funky? All right, come on. Oh, oh, lost the bowl and the main jet. Looks like this guy needs a little bit more persuasion. Got him. Okay. And you look fine. Put it in there. Okay. Oh, already lost the bowl on that. So put them all in. And let's get the main jet off. Oh, you decided to come with. Okay. Well, we will throw you together. That'll be fine. And we've got, well, these are all good. Besides one is a tad bit clogged up. So we will get it going. There you go. Throw it in there. Final one. It almost feels like that last one was cross-threaded in there. I don't know if that would affect it. This last deal I'm pulling out. Like I said, I don't know what this one's called. I got the book. Should probably look it up, but anyway. Irrelevant right now. There we go. Last one. Pop it in there. Make as much noise as possible. And go get the dish soap. Alrighty, so you guys can see. Boom, 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 boom. It's typically what I do. And after that, we will turn her on. And eardrum warning, because this is going to be loud. Okay, I'll see you guys when I put it all back together and throw it in the bike.